Bharat Biotech on Tuesday issued a set of cautionary guidelines for people with certain conditions who it said should consult with their vaccine provider and preferably avoid getting the Covaxin shot. A fact sheet shared on the company's website said those suffering from allergies, fever, or a bleeding disorder, among other conditions, should take advice from their doctor, vaccine provider, and possibly steer clear of taking the Covaxin shot. People who are immunocompromised or are receiving a medicine that affects their immune system, pregnant and breastfeeding women have also been advised against getting vaccinated by Covaxin. The Supreme Court appointed committee on the three new farm laws will hold its first meeting on Tuesday. The Supreme Court had on January 11th stayed the implementation of the three laws against which farmers are protesting at Delhi borders for over 50 days now, till further orders, and appointed a four-member panel to resolve the impasse. Bharatiya Kisan Union President Bhupinder Singh Maan, however, recused himself from the committee. The 10th round of talks between the government and representatives of protesting farmers on controversial new farm laws has been pushed back by a day to January 20th, with the centre saying both sides want to resolve the stalemate at the earliest, but it was getting delayed due to involvement of people of other ideologies. Home Minister Amit Shah will be taking a series of meetings with senior Delhi police officials on Tuesday. Amit Shah, according to sources, will be at Delhi police headquarters from noon till 5 pm on Tuesday, during which multiple meetings have been scheduled. Sources said that Home Minister will take stock on how Delhi police can function better in terms of maintaining law and order, security arrangements, and implementation of new technologies. Amit Shah is also expected to take a review meeting of Delhi police before their annual press conference. Sources said the Home Minister may also hold a review of security arrangements in national capital ahead of Republic Day. Dr. V. Shanta, renowned Indian oncologist and doyen of cancer care, has passed away at the age of 93. Dr. V. Shanta was also the chairperson of Adyar Cancer Institute. According to The Hindu, Dr. V. Shanta suffered chest pain early on Tuesday morning in Chennai when she was rushed to the hospital. Doctors said she had a massive heart block which could not be removed. Dr. V. Shanta was known for her work on cancer care and for building the Cancer Institute with her mentor. The institute is known for providing state-of-the-art health care to all patients, irrespective of their economic condition. US President-elect Joe Biden's spokeswoman quickly dismissed Donald Trump's announcement on Monday that a COVID-19 ban on travelers arriving from much of Europe and Brazil would be lifted, underlining the fractious transition of power. On the advice of our medical team, the administration does not intend to lift these restrictions on 26/1, tweeted Jen Psaki, Biden's press secretary. Jen further said, in fact, we plan to strengthen public health measures around international travel in order to further mitigate the spread of COVID-19. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.